On April 4th, 2023, in a store in the United States, a group of completely ill-mannered young people disrupted the day's tranquility. They were recklessly playing with items and, can you believe it, even breaking them. Despite the store staff's repeated pleas, the teenagers simply refused to leave. It was finally time to call for order and teach them a good lesson.
What is y'all doing? We just okay, but they don't saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up, wake him up.
Sir.
My nigga ain't did nothing. He
Get
been
up.
sitting there the whole time.
Sweetheart, if you ain't do nothing, be quiet.
Dang.
Y'all was breaking stuff. Y'all done broke wine bottles. It's on camera. They done caught y'all breaking stuff. Where y'all parents?
I ain't got no money.
Why y'all not home or no park or something? This is not the spot. Kroger do not allow this. Y'all not supposed to eat. Look, he already messing up the furniture.
That man's small. It ain't hard to fix. Come on, man. We about to, come on, y'all. We finna leave.
What you say? Y'all come here. Don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
These two cool-for-school kids thought everything was just a big joke. They had the audacity to laugh right in the faces of the store employees.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me? I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay, time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
I heard you.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out.
We waiting on this.
Outside. I don't care if you wait out. You leave. Okay?
Not too much of my sister though.
Let's go.
Oh, tie my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go. 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 Go.
You work at you ain't working nowhere. You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go. Time to
You ain't
go.
working
Are
nowhere.
you his parent?
I'm not his parent.
All right, then let's go.
Yeah, his parent. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs in a minute. Do you understand that? Excuse me, he's gonna listen or he's gonna go in handcuffs. Now let's go.
Look, I'm not even doing that. Look, I'm finna walk up.
4 Delta 2. Send me a couple more units. They got 6 juveniles that are being disorderly.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name? I don't got a name. Listen here, sweetie. Let's not make this with it harder than what it has to be.
Ma'am, I've been sitting on the couch
I
the whole
understand,
time.
but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your
My
name?
name's Taylor.
Outside. I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one's wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hand behind your
I'm
back.
trying to get my ball.
Put your hand behind your back.
I'm finna walk out.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Somebody did this.
No, you're not listening to me.
Tell me, what the f is wrong with you? Let me.
I gave you orders.
Look, I don't give a what the f. Look, I don't give a f. Let's get the fuck wrong with you. Get the off me.
4 Delta 2, send me a unit 1018. One's wanting to fight with me.
Holy baby. Look, bro. Look, bro.
Go down.
Now you're doing that.
Get off of me or you're going to cuff too.
Get down.
Hey, y'all, bud. Got them up. Nah, man.
Okay, look at here. Here. Look at that. I'm trying to get. Look at that.
It's not meant to be gentle.
After the first boy was arrested, the others just continued their chaos as if nothing had happened. Even more disturbing, his own siblings seemed to show zero concern about what happened to him.
Watch out. Watch out. Hey, what the get the off me! Oh, my brother. Get the man, what the stop! Stand up. Look, I can't. Stand up. You can get up. Watch out. Watch out. He ain't going right out. Handcuffs on, man. Let go. Come here. Let go. Well, you back at your goddamn ass, bro. Hey.
Hey, chill out.
Watch out, let me get my phone. No, come here. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Man, get the off me, cop. I don't even move like that. I don't get your phone. My phone is over there.
Come on, Jacob.
No idea. You need your phone? We ain't shopping anymore, so you can turn around and leave the store right there. Phone! Shit! Hey, where's your phone then? I'm going to get it. Where is it? We can help you find it.
Look, bro, I'm not getting in that car. Look, bro, can y'all please call y'all sergeant? Look, bro, no one.
I am the sergeant.
Okay, look, bro. Look, bro, no, can y'all talk to me first? God damn!
If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off! Look, bro,
Get in the
You
car.
either get in or I'm throwing you in. You got 1 minute.
Look, bro, wait, can y'all listen, please? Look, bro, these handcuffs.
Move your leg.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir.
Get your
I was trying to, sir. What the f*** that hurt? My.
We're not walking around looking at merchandise right now.
I don't want the handcuffs.
You should be in handcuffs. You should be in handcuffs right now for assaulting my officer back there, okay? I'm giving you a chance to get your phone. If you're not going to get your phone, I'm going to take you outside handcuffs.
Go. Come on.
You think I'm doing?
Wherever you're at. Come on.
Hell, God, he's tweaking.
Alright. Now let's get out. Come on. You don't need to fix it. They'll fix it.
I respect, but I don't mess up.
Let's just go.
I ain't did. I walked in. Go home. Go home.
Good, sir? Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's 5 others in there.
Webbing cutter with him.
They're all out now.
Bro, what the bro? I was leaving.
Huh? He's gonna be all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, then sit over there and be quiet.
Since you know the people he was with, will you try to, the ones that are left, try to get their info?
I got their name.
Thank you.
What's your mama number?
She answered the phone.
Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am, you have an ID on you by chance?
Hey, listen. What's your brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail.
No, we don't.
That's how that works.
Damn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You're rolling deep for 4 people.
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You want to go,
fingerprint
boy?
it.
Come on, man. I think so.
Oh, where you going?
Oh, God. I'm going to walk with him.
Where you going?
Stop right there. You're not coming any closer. Stop and walk down there.
You can sit right there. Say we can go over.
Walk that way.
The officer said we can go over.
No, you're not. Walk that way.
Officer said we can come over here.
Who are you?
Officer McDonald.
The
Now walk
officer
that
said
way.
we can come over here.
64386. Walk.
That officer over there said we can come over here. You got pepper spray out like we are threatening. We just standing.
Walk that way.
2 of us, 3 of you. What the f you mean? Y'all
Walk
rolling deep.
that way.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. What the
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car. All right? All right, turn around, put your hands in your back. Nope, turn around, put your hands in your back.
The situation escalated so dramatically that the police had to arrest another boy.
God, like what the f tighten up. I'm standing here. You can get out my face.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me.
Stand up. If I'm just sitting down playing.
Behind your back.
You're going to be under arrest too.
What the I do?
Battery on a Leo.
Battery on the wall. I didn't touch nobody.
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and
Who I touched? Y'all tweet.
Y'all not taking both of them.
Tweet out, but I didn't touch not a damn person.
I ain't even doing
I'm not gonna do is step on my phone.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the f you mean I didn't touch you? Bro, that's family, man.
You want to get tased? Put your hand behind your back.
Didn't do anything, man. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting.
No, y'all tweet.
There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
obstruction.
Let me go. Stop. Y'all got the handcuffs off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz. Tweak, but I'm not doing. I'm sitting here. I ain't hitting nobody. I ain't touching nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit.
Stop resisting.
Stop me, man.
Stop resisting.
Stop, man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get in my mouth, man.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to move.
Move your legs.
No.
Your legs.
And you just scratched the out my face. Man, let me the go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Man, no. Let me drop. Y'all niggas rolling. You mama. Oh. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, guy. Don't touch my. I tweet out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me up. Move. Man, I don't give a fuck that. Man,
You're under arrest.
Hit the car. Out. Take the badges off, cuz.
In the end, justice was served. The two troublemakers were charged with obstruction and disorderly conduct. Please take good care of your children so they don't end up this way. And remember, always watch very carefully who your children hang out with. Your attention today could prevent their trouble tomorrow.